Looking to elevate your home theater without the clutter of messy wires and bulky outlets? The OnQLegrand Home Theater Connection Kit promises a sleek, recessed design that keeps your space tidy and your setup professional. If you want a clean, streamlined entertainment area, this kit offers exactly what you need: power and cabling connections recessed neatly into your wall, giving your home theater a polished finish. I recently installed the OnQLegrand kit myself, and the difference is clear. The kit comes with everything you need, including mounting hardware and a handy template to cut the drywall precisely. Whether you prefer a vertical or horizontal installation, it adapts easily to your space. Using a stud finder helped me avoid any obstacles behind the wall, which made the process smooth and straightforward. After installation, I relabeled the speaker posts for surround and presence speakers, which made managing connections a breeze. The result? A clean, professional look that enhances both the function and style of my home theater. What you get with this kit is more than just hardware. It's a way to maximize your home living experience. OnQLegrand understands that your home is your sanctuary, and their innovative solutions are designed to bring convenience and peace of mind to your family. If you're serious about upgrading your home theater setup with a reliable, easy-to-install solution, the OnQLegrand Home Theater Connection Kit is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to transform your space and enjoy seamless entertainment without the hassle.